Hello everyone, welcome to Joe Duffy BMW here in Charlestown. My name is Tomas. In our showroom today we have this beautiful BMW 530 in this beautiful black sapphire. This comes also with the 90-inch diamond cut M Sport alloys, as well as the BMW adaptive LED headlights, as well as the iconic Guinea grills. Towards the side, this car also comes with high black gloss trims, as well as the privacy windows on the back seats, as well as the automatic open boot with plenty of space here as well as on the sides. Towards the back seats we can see this black perforated leather with the child security system ISOFIX on both seats, as well as two vents and place to charge your phone, as well as storage on both doors and cup holders and on the armrest. This car is fully equipped with the Armor Cardans, best sound system that we have here in BMW. Towards the driver's side we can see also our beautiful seats, as well as the M Sport black leather steering wheel. On the steering wheel we can see our cruise control as well as the media controls. And on the sides we can see your sport adaptive paddle shifters. And on the cluster we can see our M Sport. And towards the middle screen we'll control our media, our navigation, as well as the rear camera, as well as the parking sensors. In the climate controls we have the fully automatic climate, as well as heated seats on both sides. This 5 Series also comes with CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as LED all around this beautiful 5 Series. Towards the center console we can see your place to charge your phone, cup holders, and all controls to navigation, media, fully automatic transmission, as well. There's plenty of space here and on the sides. Towards the driver door we can see our fully automatic open and close mirrors, as well as automatic windows. And also at the front we can see the best sound system in BMW at the Armor Cardans. This beautiful 5 Series is available for purchase across our various Car Showroom websites, as well as the BMW Joe Duffy website. All of our BMW approved used cars come with the standard 2-year warranty. If you have any further questions, queries, or want to book a test drive with us, please feel free to contact us here at Joe Duffy BMW. My name is Tomas, and have a great day. Thank you so much.